Today I am here at my garden and I am going to show you how to harvest some potatoes. So this is my little potato patch and this one is doing real good. So something ate the flowers off this one. And we got another one here. Got about four little patches, and we're gonna dig up this one today. This one is almost done. When the leaves start turning yellow, you can see that it's almost done. And there's one of the little potatoes. There's another potato. So that's pretty nice when you see that. Never grown potatoes before. I put hay down just because keep some of the moisture in. It's pretty exciting to harvest potatoes for the first time. I just try to dig around them because it's the easiest to not damage them. And since this is my first time, see, like this one just came off right here, first little potato. So I'm gonna pull this one off right here. Pulled off just like that, and it just had a little root right there. So cool. So I'll take this one off. Take that one off. So this was the original potato, and it grew a whole bunch of other potatoes. So there's the last of them in the ground. Another little potato. That's it. No more in here. So we got quite a good harvest off that one. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 potatoes off this one. So it's pretty good. There's a couple little smaller ones. Maybe I'll try replanting it and see what happens.